Morning Gardener Show. Hello, how you doing? I'm just showing you how I'm doing my corn. This is my technique that I'm using, and I like it. And I decided to do my corn also this way. It's laid right on top, and I'm not going to try to do all of this like this, but it's simply just you just take the cup. That's it. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to do a couple, and then I'm going to let it go. That's it. All you do is do that. Cover the corn up. The soil is the soil mix is already uh, moist, but I'll moisten the top where the vermiculite is going on at, and that's it. See, so all of it will be basically like this when I'm finished, all of it. And I put the little label on the sides, Silver Queen on that side, and on that side there I got the peaches and cream, but I just said peaches, so I know what it is. And then I'll do the top the same way that I did that. Moisten everything down, and they'll jump out the ground within probably about 3 days. They'll jump out the ground once these seeds get moist in this warm environment. I got them sitting on a heat mat about 75 degrees, about 75. And you see all my other seedlings, they're doing quite well, and that's how you do it. You save money this way. Planting your own seedlings. This right there, that is start a little early, but that is eggplant. Then you got tomatoes there. See how pretty they look? And they fed and everything. That's how you do it. Watermelons. Doing quite well. You get a little big there. And then you got this right here. You got cantaloupe. You got still some coming up. See the ones that are coming up? They're coming up on their own. And then you got all these over here, collard greens and kale and everything coming up. They're getting ready to go out. But they keep them fed, keep them watered. You got to keep your eyes on that water, because they'll dry up on you and be dead within hours. Look at that right there. Cantaloupe, watermelons, everything. Right there in front of you. What's the other thing I got? Also, I got them marked on the trays is cucumbers. These right here, I think they're pumpkins. All right, good people. This is the Morning Garden. Late at night, showing you that I don't rest. I just keep doing this stuff. That's my soil mix. And some people have been asking what's in it, and I'll give it to them when they just hit me up. But in the meantime, please leave me some comments. I like your comments. I like to read through them. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you'll see more good information like this. I try to share with you to save you money and grow healthy plants. This is the Morning Gardener Show. Thank you.